Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video from the Modern Programmer. So in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you are going to stake your coins and how you are going to farm your coins. The thing is, I've been receiving a lot of requests lately from a lot of friends of mine that I should show them how they can stake their coins and how they can farm their coins. So I came to realize, in reality, a lot of people nowadays, a lot of people find it very difficult to even perform a transaction on Uniswap, that's on decentralized exchanges, because they don't really know how those decentralized exchanges work, talk less of even knowing how to stake with them or how to farm with them. So in this video I'm going to be using one of my wallets. So this is my Trust wallet. As you can see, I just have $3.99 in it. It's nothing. So yeah, so if you look inside my Trust wallet, you can see I have different varieties of coin. I have USDC, I have smartchain, BNB. So like BNB, we have two different types of BNB. There is smartchain BNB and there's the normal BNB. This is the normal BNB down here, and then this is the smartchain BNB. So you know, the decentralized exchanges, Binance has its own decentralized exchange, and then there's decentralized exchange for Uniswap. Uniswap operates on Ethereum, on the Ethereum network, that's ERC20, while Binance's smart chain operates on the Binance Smart Chain network, that's the BSC. So if we click on this Smart Chain now, BNB, you can see right there, BNB, and at the top, Smart Chain BNB. So the thing is, if you want to make any transaction, or if you want to stake, or you want to farm, or you want to swap any coin on Binance Smart Chain, you need to have Smart Chain BNB. And the way you can get Smart Chain BNB is, what you do is you go into your Binance accounts. What you do is you come to your wallet. So when you come to your wallet, click on spots, and then when you click on spot, you look for the BNB itself. So when you want to withdraw the BNB, click on withdrawal. When you click on withdrawal, it's going to show, you can see there's BEP2, that's the normal BNB, and then there is BEP-SC. So you can see BSC, the network you have selected is BSC. Please ensure that the withdrawal address supports the Binance Smart Chain network. So this BEP-SC that you are seeing, that's the Binance Smart Chain. So if you want to withdraw your BNB to this Binance Smart Chain, what you do is, at this particular place, when you are withdrawing the BNB, you make sure you tick this. You tick the BEP-SC. But if you want to withdraw it to the normal BNB, that's this particular BNB here, this one here, if you want to withdraw it to the normal BNB here, then you are going to use this first one, that's the BEP2. But right now we need the Binance Smart Chain on this, and at the extreme end you can see the ERC20, that's for Ethereum network, but we are not going to use that. We only need the the Binance Smart Chain, that's the BEP-SC. So what you do is, right here you type in the amount you want to withdraw, and then you put in the address you are withdrawing to. So to get your address now from your Trust wallets, you come to the Smart Chain and then you click on receive. So when you click on receive, you copy. You can see I have copied my address. You come back to Binance, come to the address, and then you paste the address right here. You type in the number you want to withdraw, and then you click on withdrawal. It's going to withdraw the BNB from your Binance Smart Chain, and then you are going to receive it inside your Trust wallet. So it's going to appear here. So currently I have 0.028891 BNB. That's approximately 0.87 BNB. So now so what we are going to do now is we are going to visit one of the decentralized exchanges I told you about. So we will be visiting Pancakeswap. So let me type it, PANCAKESWAP, pancakeswap.finance. So this is pancakeswap.finance. Okay, it's still opening. It's loading. Don't worry about this. I'll explain what all this means later. Good. So when you come to Pancakeswap now, this is pancakeswap.finance. So what you should do is, the moment you enter into your Trust wallet, when you want to perform any transaction on the Binance Smart Chain, you have to make sure you are on the correct network. You have to make sure you are on what? You are on the correct network. You are on the Binance Smart Chain network, not the Ethereum network. Currently, my Trust Wallet is on the Ethereum network. If you look at the top right hand side of my wallet, you will see the Ethereum symbol there. So that Ethereum symbol, what it signifies, it's that's at the top near the battery, where my battery is displaying, where the Wi-Fi network is showing. If you look at that place at the top right hand side, you will see the Ethereum network there. So when you click on the Ethereum symbol, it's going to open a drop down. So the drop down now, you can see we have the Ethereum network, Smart Chain, Ethereum Classic, Tomo Chain, Thunder Token, and the rest. So what you do is you need to change your network to Smart Chain. So when you change it to Smart Chain, the page is going to reload. Good, now it has reload. Okay, yeah. So what you should do is just click on this menu. So when you click on this menu, you come down to exchange. So when you click on exchange now, it's going to open the Pancakeswap exchanger. That's the decentralized exchanger of Pancakeswap. So if you can see the interface now. So at the beginning now, you can see there's exchange, then there's a pool, and then there's bridge. So what we are going to talk about today is only the exchange. So what you do now is below the exchange, there's a field where they wrote from. And then in the field now, you can see there's 0.00, and then near it there's max, and then at the extreme end there's BNB. So what it's telling you now is, okay, you want to change you want to change from BNB to which coin. So you select the token you want to change to. You can see there are lots and tons of token. So let's say I selected cake. If I want to swap from BNB to cake, what I'll do is I will type in the amount of BNB that I want to swap from. So this is the total. I have a 0.028 something BNB. So let me just swap. I'm going to swap 0.01 BNB to cake. So right now I've typed in 0.01 BNB. So you can see they told me, okay, if I swap 0.01 BNB, I will be receiving 0.75 cake. So what I'll do is, if I'm satisfied with this, what I'll do is I'll click on swap. So when I click on swap, it's going to bring a pop-up. I'll confirm the swap. So waiting for confirmation, confirm transaction. So I'm still going to wait for it to finish loading. So it has finished loading. You can see right here now, it's telling me the network fee is just $0.15, and then the max total of the transaction that I am trying to perform is just $0.46. So I'm okay with this. So what I'll do is I'm going to approve it by clicking on approve. So right now it's loading. So transaction submitted, view on BSC scan. So now at the top right hand side, you can see it's showing one pending. When I click on the one pending, then down here you can see swap 0.01 BNB for 0.75 cake. Okay, it has already the transaction have been performed successfully. That's why if you look at the right hand side, you can see a tick on it. So now you can see swap this. So you can see the tick. When you look at the top, it has disappeared now. The notification just disappeared now. So when we go back to my wallet, you will see the cake there. You see, this is the cake right here. So you can see I have you can see it just changed from 0.07 to what? To 0.8. That's because I just bought some cake by converting BNB to what? BNB to cake using Pancakeswap. So now let's go back to our Pancakeswap, our exchange.pancakeswap. So I've showed you how you can convert your BNB to cake, or to maybe any other token that you want. So now let's say maybe the cake that we bought, we wanted to convert the cake that we bought back to BNB. Now you can see when I clicked on this, I selected cake. So when I selected cake, it popped up here. So what I'll do is I'll click on max. When I click on max, from this to what? So I'm going to select the token. If you like, you can convert it to maybe dollars, that's USDT. USDT, that's Tether dollar. So when I click on Tether now, so that means if I want to convert 0.8 cake to USDT, it's going to get converted to what? To $0.336376. But I would prefer to convert it to BNB. So I'm going to convert my BNB to my cake to BNB. So I'm going to click on swap. When I click on swap, I'll click on confirm swap. So it's loading. So I'm going to click on approve now. When I click on approve, it's going to approve it. So you can see at the top right hand side, pending. So it's loading. Swap 0.827 check for 0.111 BNB. Then by the right hand side, you can see a loader icon. So we wait for it to finish swapping. When it finishes swapping, in my wallet, this cake that I have, this 0.827 is going to disappear. You can see it has disappeared. I now have 0 cake, and all my cake have been converted to BNB. You can see the BNB too just changed from 0.4 to 0.7 now. So I have 0.7 BNB now. So so that's basically all you need to understand with respect to using a decentralized exchanger to swap from one token to another token. So I will be making another video where I'm going to explain the concept of staking and the concept of farming.